Hyundai Motor India has received more than 55,000 bookings for the new generation Creta SUV. The new Hyundai Creta continues to rake in the numbers for the brand despite being launched just before the implementation of the nationwide lockdown. The compact SUV is a segment leader which has seen a lot of new entrants in the recent years. Since the first generation version was launched in 2015, Hyundai has sold over 4,85,000 units of the Creta in India. And the new generation model adds to that number. Hyundai's retail sales of the Creta stand at 20,000 units since its launch 4 months ago. The model has been the highest selling SUV in the country during the months of May and June this year. And it is the diesel version that has received over 60% of the bookings for Hyundai. In fact, about 30% online inquiries have been about the all-new Creta SUV for the automaker. After witnessing a series of motor show cancellations this year owing to the coronavirus crisis, organizers have now resorted to online mediums to conduct events. Joining this lineup, the next edition of the Consumer Electronics Show will be organized digitally as well. The technology event will take place from 6th of January to 9th of January in 2021, and all exhibitors, customers, thought leaders and the media from around the globe will be connected digitally. The new format will allow participants to hear from innovators, witness the latest technologies and product launches and engage with global brands and startups. CES is held in Las Vegas every year and is the biggest electronic show event that sees some of the largest product unveils and launches. Over the years, it has also seen increased participation from automakers. Given the lockdown situation in certain cities in the country, Škoda Auto India had started its digital automotive purchase ecosystem. Now, as a result of the response that the company has received online, the automaker has started a contactless experience that the marquee commits to deliver in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The program is being implemented for the health and safety of its employees and customers. This involves a consultation suite and a contactless virtual product demonstration as an option. Customers can also access this through video conferencing over smartphones, tablets and personal computers. Škoda has integrated over 80 dealerships pan-India for the contactless purchase experience.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.